Sometimes in life, you gotta go hard for what you want. If you wanna be successful, it's all about determination and being committed to your vision, having faith and pushing hard. Put in work.
Please subscribe. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Tuesday, November 22nd. Markets will be closed tomorrow for the observation of Thanksgiving Day. And also on Friday, it's going to be a half a day for the stock market. Okay, they'll be closing at 1 p.m. In today's video, I have one play for you, but before I go into the play, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the overall markets. The Dow fell 0.18% at 35,088, the Dow. Nasdaq, they closed down 0.59% at 14,199. Apple fell 0.42%, $190.64 Apple. Nvidia, they closed down 0.92%, $499.44. The company smashed earnings. The stock didn't move a muscle. The stock is down 0.29% in the pre at $498. This was already priced in leading up to the earnings report. Day's play today is a SP play. In and out, grab and go, one end move. Do not overstay your welcome. Agile, AGIL. The stock is up 78% in the pre-markets, trading at 14 cents at the recording of this video. The higher day thus far in the pre, 23 cents. If this one retracts below 11 cents today, this might be a no-go. There's no news out, but I suspect bottom fishing. The stock made a new 52-week low of 6 cents yesterday. This one has spikeability. For example, on August 30th, stock went from 15 cents to 31 cents. A volume of 85 million shares exchanged hands. In conjunction to that, August 23rd, the stock went from 20 cents all the way to 50 cents on a volume of 82 million. This one is in the IT space and their headquarters out of Texas. Let's kick the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Brother, you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
We're a market cap of 5 million, 35 million in the float. 21% of the float are held by insiders. 50% of the float are held by institution. And short says 4% of the float. This is AGIL. They have 167 million in revenues. Their revenue per share, 3.53. Their gross profit is a positive 58 million. They have a total cash of 4 million. And a total debt of a whopping 95 million. Their current ratio is sitting below par. Their current ratio is sitting at 0.31. However, their operating cash flow is a positive $1 million. Also, their leverage free cash flow is a positive 11 million. Let me repeat that. Their leverage free cash flow is a positive 11 million. Rare for a sub-penny stock. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at WT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam, make your next trade your best trade. Always take care of your downside and let the upside take care of itself. Trade well and happy holidays.
Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You will get some free stocks. Minimum deposit required is just 1 penny. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse. I thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out. Welcome back to Dave Newell's channel. Don't forget to hit that like. Please subscribe and share.
To listen to their words. One evening he did hear the ox bemoaning to the ass the hardness of his lot. I do labor pulling the plow from morning until night, no matter how hot the day or how tired my legs or how the bow doth chafe my neck, still must I work. But you are a creature of leisure. You are trapped with a colorful blanket and do nothing more than carry our master about where he wishes to go. When he goes nowhere, you do rest and eat green grass all the day. Now the ass, in spite of his vicious heels, was a goodly fellow and sympathized with the ox. My good friend, the man, you do work very hard and I would not ease your lot. Therefore, will I tell you how you may have a day of rest. In the morning when the slave comes to fetch you to the plow, lie upon the ground and bellow much, that he may say you are sick and cannot work. So the ox took the advice of the ass, and the next morning the slave returned to the farmer and told him the ox was sick and could not pull the plow. Then, said the farmer, hitch the ass to the plow, for the plowing must go on. All that day, the ass, who had only intended to help his friend, found himself compelled to do the ox's task. When night came and he was released from the plow, his heart was bitter, and his legs were weary, and his neck was sore where the bow had chafed it. The farmer lingered in the barnyard to listen. The ox began first. You are my good friend. Because of your wise advice, I have enjoyed a day of rest. And I, retorted the ass, am like many another simple-hearted one who starts to help a friend and ends up by doing his task for him. Hereafter you draw your own plow, for I did hear the master tell the slave, Butcher, were you sick again? I wish he would, for you are a lazy fellow. Thereafter they spoke to each other no more. This ended their friendship.